Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Ayşenur Altan. We are going to prepare another Turkish meal with a famous main dish made from chicken breast, shish kebab. I'm gonna do it on stove top. We're gonna marinate the chickens. If you have time, do it early in the morning or the night before. I'm also going to make green lentil soup from the Kastamonu where my father is from. I brought these green lentils. They are organic, very small. It tastes really great, different than the regular ones. And bulgur wheat pilav along with the salad and Ottoman keşkül dessert made with almonds. Great Turkish menu and it's gonna be delicious with the shish kebab. So first thing I did was preparing the chicken breast for the marinade. Just wash and cut the chicken breasts in big cubes like 3 centimeter I can say. I added black pepper, red pepper flakes, cumin and oregano. Some olive oil, about 4 or 5 tablespoons. Milk, same amount. And 2-3 cloves of garlic. Mix everything, cover it and let it fade in the fridge. So next thing, green lentil soup. I'm chopping 2 onions for both the soup and the bulgur rice. I'm gonna work with the 2 dishes at the same time. I'm heating up mix of vegetable and olive oil in 2 pans. Adding the onions and begin to saute. Wash and rinse CS wheat and green lentils. 2 cloves of garlic for the soup and about tablespoon tomato paste. To give extra flavor, you can add 1 chopped fresh tomato. Meanwhile, I'm gonna saute my bulgur wheat for about 3-4 minutes. To give extra flavor, I'm adding 1 tablespoon butter for the bulgur wheat. When you are cooking, make sure you always have hot water on the side. Adding lentils, and since I had it, I'm adding frozen meat stock. My soup and CS wheat pilav is almost ready, and meanwhile I'm gonna make my dessert. Keşkül is an Ottoman dessert, a milk pudding flavored with roasted almonds. I'm heating up milk and sugar mixture while roasting the ground almonds. And to thicken my pudding, I'm gonna use egg, cornstarch and a little bit milk. I warm up the mixture by adding some hot milk while whisking and then pour it back to the pan and cook until it thickens with the roasted almonds together. cooking the bulgur pilav and my soup. I added a bit more hot water for the consistency and some homemade pasta, erişte we call. Okay, my friends, my soup is done and the bulgur wheat pilav, my chickens are rested, the salad ingredients are ready, just I'm gonna chop, grate it. The dessert is cooling and the last thing I need is to make the shish kebab. I have my skewers here, bamboo skewers. Before placing the chicken, I want to cut some green peppers and red peppers. And then simply I'm gonna arrange it one pepper and then chicken, then red pepper and like so. When you place the chicken, don't make it stiff. Place them loosely so they can cook better. To be able to serve them as hot as possible, before begin to cook my shish kebabs, I want to quickly make my salad too. I grated the carrots and beetroot. Finely chop some lettuce, parsley and mint. Drizzled olive oil, lemon juice, sprinkled some salt, some cherry tomatoes, some green peppers, and it's ready. Okay, it's time to sizzle. Make sure your griddle is really hot. Drizzle some oil and begin to cook. In my very light saucepan, I'm heating some dried mint with olive oil to pour as the final touch to my soup. Okay, my dinner is ready. My soup, almost very similar. We filmed in Amasya. The sakala çarpan çorbası, check the links for the detailed recipe from a local chef. And the salad, our chicken shish kebab along with the bulgur wheat CS from Kastamonu and our Ottoman dessert keşkül. I'm gonna try from the shish kebab, then I can invite my family. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Meat is very soft. I mean really soft. The CS bulgur is like earthy. Just remembered Kastamonu. They are racing in the flavor. I mean really. So I hope you enjoyed another Turkish meal. Very traditional and with the famous shish kebab. Give it a try and share your comments with me. I have many other menus like this. Make sure to check them. See you next time.